Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do a inspired look from Casey Holmes with Casey Holmes palette. So if you want to see this video, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, I've been wanting to do this makeup look for a very long time. This makeup look from her was probably created, I think, like 2 or 3 years ago. So, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and prep my eyes with this Angel Eye eyeshadow base. I'm gonna do something a little bit different with priming my eyes and stuff. And you don't have to use a lot of this, I promise. It is coverage. I was watching her videos and like I've been wanting to do an inspired look from her for a while. I am using her palette, which is crazy. I did not know her favorite color was orange, so I'm guessing that's why she put orange in this. So this is a orange look. I don't have exactly the orange color. I don't think like anywhere near what she had, but it's closest I've got. I don't really have much orange colors. So I'm going to go in with her palette, and I'm going to go in with this Do Not Disturb color right here. I'll put this all over, well, if I take the right end of my brush, put this all over my lid. Now I'm going to take my other brush, this one, and I'm going to go in with that other color, that first color that I used to put all over my eye. I'm going to put this right in the inner corner. Okay. And then I'm going to go in with that orange shade. Put a little bit on my lower eyelash line. I'm going to go in with my mascara, which is Believe Beauty. Okay. Alright, so I bought this and I tested it out in my last video from Wet n Wild. It's the cucumber spray. It's 3-in-1 primer, water, prep set, and fruit refresh. So I'm just going to go ahead and spray this on my face for my foundation. Okay. Let that dry for a few minutes. Like I said, like before in my last video, this does smell like cucumbers. Like you could definitely tell. but like it's not overpowering that like it's like, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and use my new favorite drugstore foundation from Dollar General is Believe Beauty foundation. Oh my god. It is Skin Finish foundation, which is very true. Medium to full coverage, which is very true. I thought it was like a squeeze, like turn, I mean, not squeeze, like a turn. It just pops off and it has a little squeeze. A little pump. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this all over my face. I love this eyeshadow look. It honestly looks really pretty. So I'm just going to put some of that in my mouth. That's alright. Alright. Then I'm going to go ahead and blend it out. And I said in this foundation works with a sponge or a brush, whichever you prefer. It looks the same with both. Looks really good. And it, like, just scared about the color of the foundation. Like, if you buy a little bit lighter color than usual, it does die down. It does, like, sink into your skin to make it look like it's, like, your skin, as it says on the packaging. And, like, the packaging is so pretty. So pretty. Like, I've been wanting to do an inspired makeup look by her for a long time. So one day I just looked through all of her like videos. And I really want to do one like an older one, not like one of her newer ones. Cause I love Casey. Oh my god, and her boutique. Oh my, what the heck? Well, that was weird. I don't know where that came from. But yeah, I really wanted to do one, but not like a newer one. So I saw this one and I was like, oh my god, I don't know if I have orange. She really don't have much of like tutorials, and like, she has a lot, but like not that I have like makeup for. So I went with this one because I was like, oh my god, like she has orange in her palette. I was so excited. I really love this foundation. It looks flawless on the skin. So flawless. Okay, I'm gonna put my concealer on, then I'm gonna set my face in my problem areas. And the concealer I'm using is my Believe Beauty concealer. I wish I got a little bit lighter color than this one, but I mean, it does make your eyes still pop out really good. So that's all that matters. But I'll probably go buy me like one that's like a little bit lighter than this one. Really press it in there. press. Like, I'm so happy. It's so pretty outside. Like, I love spring weather and summer weather. Like, I got this. Okay, so like my hours, I cannot go out and like tan unless I'm off and it doesn't rain. And I can go to the pool. But like, I got this Jergens Natural Glow. I hope this works good. If you've used it, let me know how it does. Anyways, let's go on with the makeup look. And I'm going to use my favorite face powder, which is this Airspring. Oh my god. Honey, it's the powder of all times. I'll just put it mostly in my problem areas. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and let that sit there for a little bit. And I'm going to go ahead and put some bronzer on. Bronze up my face a little bit, not too much. We don't want to do it too much. I'm going to use this Firma 102 brush that I got from my Ipsy bag like a couple months ago, I think. I'm not going to bronze my face up too much, just like a little bit. I don't like to be too bronzed. My friend gave me, I think, some foundation, and like I used it. Oh my lord! Like I wouldn't have to use bronzer. Oh, I put too much on that side. Oh god! Hope I didn't mess up my makeup look, because I probably did, like I always do. I'll try to blend that out. But that bronzer absolutely just goes right into your skin. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and brush that powder away. Okay, so then I'm going to go in with my blush and my highlight, which is going to be from this palette. First, I'm going to go in with my blush, and then I'm going to go in with my highlight. And you don't have to use a lot of her blush on your face. Like, I really would just, where you can see it a little bit, and then blend it out. Because, girl, you ain't going to need a lot. Like, and everything on top of this foundation looks so flawless. Like, it's so pretty. Like, I mean, it looks like oh my god, I just love it. Just gonna be honest. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my highlights. And her highlight is like so like, it's not overpowering, but it's pretty. Which I love. I think I put a little bit more on that side than I did on the other side. Alright. Put a little bit on, a little bit more on. Okay, I think that's enough. Do too much. I get a little bit too happy. Okay. I know I moved like extremely fast. But I am going to go ahead and put on my Kat Von D Laudia, I think it's called. This is so pretty. And this is like the closest orange I've got. Alright, and I'm going to go ahead and spray my face with this cucumber again. So I'm done with my face. Whew. Oh my god, that highlight looks so pretty. Okay, guys, so I hope this looked just like Casey Holmes' look. I hope that I did a good job on this. I think I did. And I think it's crazy that I was using her palette for her makeup look. I'm so happy for her, all her accomplishments. To put the link down in my description down below to let you go watch that video if you would like. And I will see y'all in my next one. Bye guys, thank you for watching.